Your website, your socials, your YouTube, use similar imagery. Make sure your font is unified throughout all of your platforms. Make sure everything looks on brand. People now shop online. And so what we want to try and recreate is a simple, streamlined way to recognize who you are and what you do. Your website is your department store. It signposts people all the way through, and it needs to be transparent, and you need to show your pricing. After all, nobody buys anything if you don't know how much it's going to cost. Your social media is like your shop windows. It's allowing people to browse what you do. It's much lighter. It's much easier to digest. It's quick. But you should be able to take copy from your website and use it on your socials. It's exactly the same. You should be able to take copy from your website, copy from your socials, and use it on to YouTube. And this is what I'm talking about when it comes to talking about repurposing your content, streamlining it. Now, you can use AI and it will help you make life easier. You will need to rewrite it. But what I'm asking you to do is to make life easier for your customer. Look like a unified brand and use your social media to drive people to your website, to your department store, and make yourself easy to work with.